It's officially week 1. I bought this last Saturday. It's Saturday today. I'll give you an update on my week 1 of using this BYD CL5. Now, week 1 pa lang and hindi ko pa natatanggal ito dahil gusto ko sanang bumili muna ng screen protector as well as this one. But so far, upon observation naman, I've connected my Spotify and automatic siya nag-on every time. If I use the smart key, which is this one, pag inopen ko siya through here, automatic nag-open yung Spotify, yung aircon and everything. So which is plus for me. And a lot of people were surprised for me getting a new car. Honestly, it was because hindi na cost efficient for me owning my old Honda kasi ang taas na talaga ng gas prices, and I've been spending 1,815 a week kasi I'm driving Parañaque, Makati, QC, and then Pasay, and then different suppliers, so it's not financially good for me anymore. That's why I got this car. Another thing that I really like about this car is this. Kita niyo yan, negative. It means it's charging. So, kahit na naka-standby mode or super fast, more than 60 kilometers per hour, tapos naka-HEV mode ka, the battery is charging. Actually, kanina 18 to, now it's 19%. So, kapag hindi ka nagpipinda sa acceleration, and if nag-press ka sa brake, automatic na nag-charge yung battery mo. I'll show you a small graphics as well. So, example ito, yan, nakaapak ako sa acceleration, tas bibitaw ako sa acceleration, pero gumagalaw pa rin ako Magi-green siya, ibig sabihin nag-charge siya ng battery. So, not only pag nagbe-brake, but also pag nag-apak ka sa acceleration, tas bibitaw ka, pero gumagalaw. Another thing that I really like, and the reason why I bought this car, is because of this. The 360 camera. So, I find this very, very useful, especially in parking, sa mga hindi ko nakikita mga linya. Yan kasi yung problema ko when parking sometimes kasi maliit akong tao. So, I can't see the line markings sa parking paminsan, lalo na kapag medyo malabo or medyo maliit lang, ganyan. So, this I find very, very useful kasi you get to see all angles pa rin. Can you see that? Oh, naka-zoom pala. So, meron din siyang view na pwede yung sa ilalim, makikita mo. So, I find that very, very useful. Bago tayo mag-charge, 19%. Nakuha ko tong sasakyan last week with 97% charge and 350 pa tong kilometers. 500 pesos yung 350 kilometers. Up until now, hindi pa ako nagpapagas ulit. Meron pa akong 251 kilometers. Sobrang tipid niya. Imagine, 1 week, 500 pesos. Yung charge, I did charge sa Greenbelt. So, gumastos ako ng 400 pesos from 23% to 84%. 400 pesos. Mahal sa Greenbelt. Meron pang cheaper alternatives out there, and sa SM Malls I know it's free, so kung may malapit sa inyong SM Malls, doon ang mas cheaper for sure. So tingnan nyo, may 250 kilometers pa akong pwedeng takbuhin with the 500 pesos. Sobrang tipid niya for me, sobrang grabe. Imagine from 1,500 a week, 400 pa lang nagagastos ko. If you count the 500, ayan, 900 pesos ang nagagastos ko so far. Also, if sa bahay, I believe it's 13 pesos per kilowatt hour yung charging nun. 13 pesos is so small compared to, you know, gas prices right now. So, we have just arrived and let's try to see kung ano ang biyahe natin. Makati lang naman tayo today. Paikot-ikot around Makati. So, let's see. So, I only spent 1.1 liter in my 10.4 kilometers. Sobrang tipid niya. In 1 hour, 0.1 liter. Ayun lang today. Follow and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.